Nature isn't cruel, but it is brutally efficient. Some predators rely on stealth, others overpower prey with raw force, and a few have evolved hunting strategies so effective they dominate entire ecosystems. Today, we're counting down the top 5 most brutal predators in nature. Welcome to TopFive Tier, where we explore the most extreme things on Earth, from the oceans to the Arctic ice. These predators are among the most efficient hunters ever evolved. Starting with number 5. Number 5, Komodo dragon. The Komodo dragon is the largest lizard on Earth, capable of growing over 10 feet long and weighing more than 150 pounds. What makes it especially dangerous is its hunting method. Komodo dragons use sharp teeth, powerful jaws, and venom that lowers blood pressure and prevents clotting. After biting prey, they often follow it for miles until the animal becomes too weak to escape. They can also sprint surprisingly fast for short distances and have been known to hunt deer, wild boar, and even water buffalo. Number 4, great white shark. The great white shark is one of the ocean's most powerful predators. Using electroreceptors called ampullae of Lorenzini, it can detect tiny electrical signals produced by animals in the water. Great whites often attack from below at high speed, using surprise and massive bite force to disable prey instantly. Adult great whites commonly hunt seals, sea lions, fish, and sometimes smaller sharks. Despite their reputation, attacks on humans are extremely rare compared to their interactions with natural prey. Number 3, saltwater crocodile. The saltwater crocodile is the largest reptile alive and one of the strongest ambush predators in nature. Large males can exceed 20 feet in length and possess one of the most powerful bite forces ever recorded. They remain nearly invisible in water, waiting for animals to approach riverbanks before launching explosive attacks. After grabbing prey, crocodiles often perform the death roll, spinning violently to tear flesh and pull victims underwater. Saltwater crocodiles hunt fish, birds, wild pigs, deer, and occasionally much larger animals. Number 2, leopard seal. The leopard seal is one of Antarctica's top predators. Unlike most seals, leopard seals actively hunt warm-blooded prey, especially penguins and smaller seals. They are fast, highly agile underwater, and possess long canine teeth capable of gripping slippery prey. Leopard seals often kill penguins by violently shaking them apart before eating them. Although they usually avoid humans, they are considered one of the Antarctic's most formidable marine hunters. Number 1, polar bear. The polar bear is the largest land carnivore on Earth and the undisputed apex predator of the Arctic. Built for survival in extreme cold, polar bears can swim for long distances, track seals across massive ice sheets, and detect prey from over a kilometer away. Their primary food source is seals, which they hunt by waiting silently beside breathing holes in the ice. Adult males can weigh over 1,500 pounds, making them powerful enough to dominate nearly every other Arctic animal. Because food can be scarce in the Arctic, polar bears are highly opportunistic and extremely persistent hunters. In one of the harshest environments on Earth, the polar bear sits at the very top of the food chain. Which predator surprised you the most? Comment below, which of these hunters would you least want to encounter in the wild? And if you enjoy factual countdowns about nature, science, and extreme wildlife. Subscribe to TopFive Tier and turn on notifications for more videos every week.